Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can make the C drive bigger. See here, right now it is totally 373 GB and there is some more space available in D drive, and remember, only if you have free space in other drives, say for example D, E or F, then only you can make this bigger. Okay, for first of all you need to search like disk management. Okay, when I search like disk management, a option appeared here, right? Create and format disk partitions. Click on this. So this is the disk management window, and see here right now C drive and E drive with NTFS file system. So you need to select this. I now just with the mouse I just clicked on the C drive and right click on this, and there is extend volume, not shrink volume. See, extend volume. Welcome to the extend volume wizard. This wizard helps you to increase the size of the simple and spanned volumes, increase the size of the drives. Okay, you can extend a volume by adding space from one or more additional disks. Means you can increase, take it from the D and E also at the same time. Click on next and available selected. This is the selected drive. So this much space is available. So total size in this one, so I'll be clicking on next. I'm not changing anything. In fact, you can change some values here. Okay, but I'm just keeping it like that. Click on next and click on finish. So 4 GB has increased because 4 GB is what I have here, but if you have more space you can extend this more, because if you have enough space in the C drive, your computer will really run faster. But the method is, see here, extend volume is not available from now on because there is no enough space in the D drive. Okay, that's the reason there is no highlighted option of this extended volume. But this differs because my computer is only 512 SSD. The people who has 1 TB and 2 TB SSDs will have a lot of option to increase or to make the C drive bigger. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.